Hey, Russell Leeds here, and this week I wanted to talk to you about investing your money. One of the smartest things I think any entrepreneur can do is when they earn money for their business, to invest that. And the best thing, in my opinion, to invest in is property. The great thing about property investing is you get paid twice, because the properties tend to go up in value. I think since World War II, on average, they double every 10 years. So you're gonna get what we call capital appreciation, but you also get paid rent, which gives you monthly cash flow. So it's a brilliant investment. I would highly recommend you getting involved in it. Now, it can be a bit scary at first. What should I buy? How do I best rent it out? What's the best strategy? How can I raise finance? Lots and lots of questions. So I want to introduce you to a property mentoring website where you get not only training, but you also get live coaching and a live property expert that you can ask questions to about how to get started, what sort of deal should you buy, how to get involved with it. I'm actually one of the property mentors on there, and right now there is a free trial so you can get started. No, say it's free. I think it's £1 you have to pay to get started, to have a trial of this, and then if you like it, which I'm sure you will, it's £95 a month. I'm going to run through you exactly how it works right now.
So I thought I'd make a quick video showing you how to use Samuel 365 and what features are included. So first of all, here we are on the Samuel 365 page. First feature we have here is Property Coach. Join Samuel every Wednesday at 8 PM for an intense coaching session where you can ask questions and converse with Samuel about property investment. So if you want to register for that, you just click register, and then you register for the webinar. That takes place at 8 PM every single Wednesday. You can also access the Property Coach archive. So if you click on here, and you can look back at previous episodes, and here are the dates and the episodes if you want to go through and get a vibe for what the coaching calls are like, or if you've missed one, you can catch up there. So that's your Property Coach. Brilliant feature, coaching with Samuel every single week. Next, we've got your Property Mentor. Now, this is really exciting. You've got unlimited one-to-one support. So as a member of 365, if you're interested in investing in property, let's say you've got a property deal going through and you want a bit of advice from someone, a property mentor, all you need to do is click on book your one-to-one call. Choose your topics. So these are the different topics that are covered. We've got rent to rent, deal selling, buy to let, business of property, all the different topics right here. So pick one. Let's say we say deal selling, and then you can pick a time and date. So today is the 15th. So we've got slots in today. The next slot will be at 3:15. But just choose a day. There's nothing on the weekend, so just choose a day and time that suits you. Let's say I wanted to do Monday at 12:30. You click continue. All you do is put in your name, email, and what your question is. Done. That is it. You're then booked in at that time, and you'll get a phone call from your property mentor at that time, which I think is an amazing feature. For me, that is worth the value of Samuel 365 alone. To have someone there, an expert in property, whenever you want, to just be able to book a call. I think that is an incredible feature. So next, we've got the daily success routines. Now, I don't know whether you do a daily success routine at the moment, but Samuel has put together and put on video his daily success routines. Each day this will change. So if you click on access daily routines, you get two different types of routines. The first one that you get, here's sort of an explainer video teaching you why. The first that you get is your kind of mindset routine. And then the second one is a fitness routine. This should take between 20 and 30 minutes a day to do the video, and also to do the tasks that are set with that. And that's it, man. That's your daily routine and your fitness routine. And each day that changes. So this is Friday's one. Let's go back. But having a daily routine is so important to your success, and you've got Samuel's there for you. So next, you've got online training included. So if you click on online courses, it will bring up all the different online courses and the ones that you've got included with Samuel 365. We're also going to be changing this, so we'll be adding on fresh courses and changing it around. At the moment, ones that are included are obviously the crash course and the DFE as well is included, and then you can purchase other courses there if you want to. but the online training is amazing, so make sure you definitely check that out. We've also got a mastermind forum. So here is a mastermind forum, which I'll show you. So if you click on the forums, there's different topics. This is new, this is fresh, but you've got different topics. And then you can see all the latest ones down here on the side. And let's see this one, proving Samuel wrong. I'm interested in that. Samuel challenged, yes, on the weekly webinar, Samuel challenged everyone to start a blog and they didn't think people would do it. This guy's obviously done it, so well done, Theo. Good stuff. Okay, so we've got a mastermind forum. The great thing about this forum is you've only got Samuel 365 members on there, and also discounts of other things, like we've got the Deal Sourcer app on there at the moment. We've got I think it's a 55% discount for Samuel 365 members, so that is on there as well. You get Samuel's books. Samuel's books are on here as well. Buy low, rent high. You can download all of those. That is what you get with Samuel 365. So you've really got a whole array of amazing services to help any property investor on their journey.